call me Jack Daddy. I like to build things. I figured I'd make some videos to show you guys how I build them. That's my rooster voodoo. Maybe you can learn some things, maybe you can enjoy watching this stuff, maybe you can build your own stuff. Alright, so here's the extension mod. It's just what we built earlier, tubing, and what it allows you to do is put your stick way up there. So as high as you can reach with this stick, put it up there, and then you got it cinched down. You'll be able to put your foot in here, like that, climb up to the next ones, and then it'll allow you to put your next one that much higher. And then what you can do is take this puppy off and go to the house and then leave the rest of them up there, and nobody will be able to hunt it because it's too high. So unless they're willing to, you know, shimmy up that joker and get up there. But you know, like public land, that's really good. Maybe you got a club with some sneaky people on there, that's really good. Maybe you just got that honey hole, you don't want that one guy to come shoot your deer out of your stand. It's really good. Also, it's good to hang your cameras up high. So what I'll do is I'll take this with me and I'll put my cameras up high, not just for theft, but also like when you get those cameras up out of the kind of the line of sight of deer, they feel a lot more comfortable and moving around. So this mod right here is a game changer when it comes to hunting and getting those game pictures. I'm going to show you how I make my extension. This isn't anything original. I've seen several guys like DIY Sportsman on YouTube does one. He's probably the most famous for doing it, I guess. But I'm going to show you guys just how I put it together, just kind of as a part of this video. But basically what I got is about 8 feet of 1-inch tubular webbing. So you can see right there, you kind of open it up. It's hollow in there, making a tube, hence tubular webbing. That's some good stuff, man. You can get it from like eBay, REI. You can get it anywhere. Just make sure you get good stuff. And then what I'm gonna do is I got 2 pieces of like 7mm accessory cord, and I just taped them together. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide this down this webbing to the middle of it, and that's gonna be what holds it open where my foot can sit in. All right, go ahead and slide this down in there, just like this. Just work it down in there. It's gonna be tight, but that's what makes this good. The tighter the better. That way it's gonna hold it open better for your foot stirrup. You know, like to make a stirrup for your foot to sit in. So just take your time with it. It's gonna take a while. Just work it out. It'll be worth it in the end when you're hunting way higher, killing bigger deer, that kind of stuff. All right, so we got that worked down towards the middle, and you'll see how it hangs open like that. So that's what you want. That way it's always open for you to put your foot in, and you take your foot out, it's still open. All right, so now we got both ends right here. We got a thing in the middle, we got both ends. This is what we need to do. We need to take this in and kind of burn it so it won't fray. Same with this side. So you just take your lighter, burn it a little bit.
Hey, Daddy, burning fire.
Good to go. So now we're going to make our loop at the top, and this will allow us to put it onto the tree stand. So you're going to start with one side, just put it about a foot away from the end, fold that over that side, just like so, and then we're just going to take it and make an overhand knot. All right, so the overhand knot, just try to make sure you keep everything nice and even, you know. Just make for a better appearance. And the way we're going to do it is leave it like that, which is wide enough for our other piece to fit in. And I know some people will take it and go around their stand, but the way we built our climbing sticks is going to be a little different. So we're going to make our loop, cinch it down, and then we're going to make this fit through there, and basically just going to make another cinch knot come down, and that'll be our foot stirrup at the bottom of our stand.